face behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Some days with you it's paradise, but now you spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire.
Hi guys, so I'm back from doing my skincare. As you can see, it smells really nice. I'm using Garnier products and some Nivea products. I really love the results. I think the results are supposed to show after a week, and I feel like yes. Oh, I've used mine for like 1.5 weeks, and I feel like they are really working, especially the Garnier products. They are really working on me. So yeah, I'm about to do my makeup. Forgive me guys if I don't look at the lens. I'm using my phone to film. Yeah, soon we're going to get a camera. Pray for me guys. But yes, I'm actually running late for the event. This masterclass, I was invited by a friend, and I'm super excited and I'm so thankful to her. And yeah, I'm about to leave. It's around 1:30, and I'm supposed to leave here by around 3:30 because I live really far from town and I have to get all the way to Sarit. But yes, let's do our makeup. We are doing a very subtle look, and yes, a subtle but bougie kind of look. And yeah, let's get into the makeup guys.
Yeah, please just blow this flame away, and I hold on for rainy days. It feels like a decade, just please come and save me. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
Brand new lashes from a friend. They came as a gift, not a PR package. A friend started selling cosmetics and she gave me 2 pairs to try, of which they are the same size, same exact size, F01, and they go for only 400 shillings guys. I'm going to leave the link on the description box. Yeah, so I'm going to try one of them. I've been wanting to try them, so today is the perfect day. They are so simple. They are human hair actually, and they're 3D. And yes, I'm going to try one of them today, and they're so simple, by the way. So guys, I went to dress up because I was running late, so I'm back to do my lip. And yeah, and I feel like I'm loving the look already. It's subtle and simple. I really love the lashes, by the way, but I feel like I'm going to remove them. They're quite long. Okay, not long like the length, but sasa kwenda hii side they're a bit long. I'm just going to figure it out because I feel like they're a bit uncomfy, but I really love the volume and the human texture. Yeah, so let's do the lip, then yes, we leave. Imagine I have like 10 minutes to leave the house and I haven't even called the cab. So I'm going to take my Davis lip. I don't have a lip liner. Davis eyeliner. Actually, my lips are already moisturized by Nivea. I use this watermelon. Yeah, so I'm going to just outline that. And yeah, then I'm going to take this that I was gifted by my mom. I always use it. It's a lip gloss lipstick kinda. Yeah. Sorry. It's a bit tacky, but I love the way it has like a golden haze. My braids are annoying. I did them a while back and they look a bit untidy, but it's okay. I did them a week ago actually. The worst thing about this hair is that they won't last, but I like how they look untidy all the same. So yeah, after that I'm going to go in with my clear gloss. And yeah, I over gloss, by the way, guys. Suddenly, trust me to over gloss. So another tip, guys, don't forget to do that because it's going to stick on your teeth and you don't want that. This is my makeup, guys. I love the look. Ooh, kwa nini wewe? Shinsia ama? Yeah, I look nice, by the way. Najichocha too. These earrings I got recently from Dubois. I really love them. They are so chunky. They were only 400 bob. And yeah, like I said, I did my hair. This dress I got from budget wear store in GPO, and it's a pretty little thing. And my shoes are as a gift from someone. And yeah, this bag was thrifted. You guys know it. It's Chanel. You guys should watch my luxury thrift haul to know the price kama hamjui. So yeah, I'm 5 minutes away from leaving the house, and yeah, I just decided let me just admire myself and end up pick a picture as I wait for the cab. I'm requesting first, then I take photos, cause bro,
I know what's on your mind. We do this all the time. We fight and then we're fine. You know I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, oh mine.
guys, I'm so excited and so grateful to share with you guys what Linton's gifted us on the Fenty Masterclass day. Literally, like, I'm in awe, I'm shook. I've never used Fenty skin before, and I actually had them in mind. I can literally show you a screenshot of me DMing Linton's, asking them like a while back, asking them about their price range, and I literally wanted a gloss bomb. This is not the exact one that I wanted, but I wanted the original gloss bomb, and I literally got a gloss bomb. And I recently began my skincare routine, as I had shown you guys earlier, and I had purposed to use Fenty skin very soon. I was actually budgeting on that, and I wanted to start saving my coins, and I can't believe, like, I'm shook, by the way, you guys. I'm shook. I just can't believe this is happening to me this year. Like, God's promises are being fulfilled this year. Like, I'm so grateful. I'm so, like, I lack words. I lack words, by the way. So yeah, I was so excited. I couldn't wait to show you guys this, and they were so kind enough to gift each and every one of us who attended there. And yeah, let's indulge in Fenty skin together and have luxury skin. Okay, bye. I'm going to run a quick errand in town, and I'm quite late, so bye.
About to do a bit, what you in for? Tell them dudes fall back like it's limbo. Don't complicate things, keep it simple. Hold it down, hey, hey. Love you like my family, we can't fold. Love it when you smile, show them dimples. Love it when you be my little nympho. Bust it down, ayy. I know what's on your mind. We do this all the time.
Like, oh my
What?
God. What?
We fight and then we're fine. You know I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine.
You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end.
Say hi to my vlog.
But you don't understand, I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Fire, I know some days with you it's paradise, but now you spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame.